G'day, I'm Stu from Jimmy Tools. Today I'm going to take you through our awesome little 12 drawer roller cab. Comes stacked full of tools, perfect if you're an apprentice looking for your first box with tools included. It's a great option to get you started, and you can actually build on this as well. Starts off as a 12 drawer. You can then add some side cabs to it, and then you can also get a top box on the top. Once that's all complete, you can get over 900 pieces into this toolbox configuration. These roller cabs come in a range of different colors. You got your ghost gray, sun-kissed orange, black, and also mutant green. So let's have a look at exactly what you get in this awesome little 42-inch 12 drawer roller cab. So now we'll have a look up the top, and this is our first drawer. It's the biggest drawer in the toolbox, and what you've got is your 143 piece combination socket and accessory tray. So you've got your 1/4 inch, your 3/8 and your 1/2 inch. You've got all your sockets in those ranges as well. You've got a couple of little breakers there. You've got a big breaker. You've got some long extensions and wobble bars here. You also got a lot of shorter extensions there. A couple of sets of adjustables, some locking pliers, also your standard set of pliers and long nose as well. 38 piece bit set. Then up the back here, you've got all your deep sockets in both imperial and metric 1/4 inch, 3/8 and 1/2 inch. Down now to our first drawer, where we've got our spanners and our screwdrivers in these dense foam EVA trays. Your spanners in metric go from 7mm to 21, and imperial they go from 1/4 inch to 15/16. Then you got your Phillips head, and you've also got flathead screwdrivers. These are a great quality go-through screwdriver, and they're packed in neatly in that foam EVA tray. You got both metric and imperial Allen keys and a set of Torx. You got a great quality 4-piece circlip plier set. You've also got a hacksaw, an 8-meter or 27-foot tape measure, a 1500 gram club hammer, and also a 16-ounce trade quality ball peen hammer. So the box itself stands at 1 meter high off the ground. It's 1,060 wide and about 560 deep. Your drawer depth on the 42s is about 500, and it contains 12 drawers. So if you're looking for an excellent quality roll cab just to get you started, or just for around the home or something to build on, this is our Jimmy Tools 12 drawer roller cab. We have a lifetime warranty on all of our hand tools. We're an Australian family owned business, been going longer than 27 years. All of our walkthroughs you'll also find on our YouTube channel, which is Jimmy Tools Official. So if you're interested in having a good look at what's actually in our tool kits, then you can go onto there and you'll be able to see a lot of our different boxes with the different tool configurations in them, and we do a complete walkthrough on them as well. We also offer a full 24 months interest-free finance option. So if you want to pay this out over 24 months, that's not a problem at all. So thanks very much for watching. And if you like what you see, hit subscribe. I'll also be putting the link to this box in the comments below if you're on Facebook. So you'll be able to just click on that and go straight to the product.